hello, Nok Tok.
Nok Tok used sticks and moss to make big nest for Big Bird. Baloo!
Oh, that makes you feel happy, doesn't it?
Big Bird! Big Bird! Nok Tok got surprise!
Here's a bird, Nok Tok.
Oh no, little bird. Big nest not for you.
Big birds only.
Hi, Nok Tok. Hi.
What Nok Tok make?
Nest.
Big nest. Big nest for little bird?
No, big nest for Big Bird. But little bird hop in.
We tried to tell it.
Big nest too big for little bird.
You Jojo play pippling pipes. Then maybe little bird fly out of nest.
Yes, well, it's worth a try, Yo Jojo. No luck there.
Little bird not move.
Do I have seeds? Seeds make little bird leave big nest.
Ah, now that's a really good idea. You'd like some yummy seeds, little bird? Wouldn't you?
Little bird stay in big nest.
Now here's a big bird for a big nest. Flap along now, little bird. Now then, where were we?
Nok Tok make big nest for Big Bird, but little bird hop in.
Ah, yes.
You Jojo play pippling pipes for little bird. Deli give little bird seeds. But little bird not move.
I know, and he's still there.
Oh no, Big Bird gone.
Yes, because little bird's in his nest.
Oh, so sweet.
How Nok Tok get little bird out of big nest?
I don't think it wants to move. Maybe the little bird wants a nest too. We could make it one.
Chibis and piplings help make little nest for little bird.
Yes!
Come on!